If you're a non-native English speaking professional who's looking for real life, live, online conversation help about doing business in English and speaking about business in English with a real life coach and others in your situation, then click the link in my bio or DM me fellowship, and I will send you the link to sign up today for my English Conversation Fellowship for non-native professionals. We meet once a week for an hour, and there's anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes of actual language instruction. This is not an English class. This is enhancing the information that you already know about the English language, taking it further, much further, showing you the nuances of the language that you use, or how to approach certain conversations or certain topics, really giving you training in not only conversation in business in English, but also it's business training as well, communication training. I've spent decades with getting my training in effective communication in the corporate world, and all of my experience, my 43 years in the corporate world, all comes together in this guided live speaking practice time. So sign up, use the link in my bio or comment fellowship, and I will send you the link in your DMs. Sign up today. As a charter member, there will only be 24 charter members, charter fellows. You're going to get everything I can possibly offer you at a incredibly low price that will never be seen again. And everything I offer you in this program going forward will be grandfathered in. So take a look at the information and sign up today. All right. So I will see you in the group.